doing. So in today's tutorial I came up with another Python tutorial that is on decision making. So I'm going to show you two programs today, okay, on decision making, that is using if or else or elif. Elif means else if. So first let us see how what a condition actually returns. Okay, so let us now try with some example like 1 equal to 2. Oops, just a moment. False. Then 2 equal to 2, that is true. Okay, so just for a few examples like x equal to 3, y equal to 2, x equal to y, false, x not equal to y, true. Okay, so this is how the condition works. Like there are some other things like x greater than y, true, x less than y, false. Okay, so let us go to our programs. I have created two programs. So first let us see actually how actually if else statements are written. Okay, so I think you are aware of how indentation works. So what happens in case of decision making or if else statement? Whenever you write a if statement or any letter, you will see I will come up with a loop using loops or iteration. So in this case, or defining a function, whatever. Okay, so in this case, in if and else, you have to put a colon. Okay, and on the next line for the statement under that condition would be an indentation. So here we have if, under that if we have an indentation. So this if contains this part as a statement, that there is a nested if, it has another indentation, and else part has another indentation, and every condition is contains a colon sign. Okay, so that has to be given to declare it as a decision or a condition statement. Okay, for this if statement, this is the statement part which has another if else statement, and for this if there is an else statement which has another statement part, another body which has another if else statement. Now this program is to calculate, find out the greatest number out of 3. So we have if. Okay, so if x greater than y, if that is true, if x greater than z, then print x. That means x is the greater, because x is greater than y, and as well as x is greater than z. Else, that means z greater than x. So x greater than y, z greater than x. Obviously the z will be the greater, so print z. Now if this condition does not satisfy, so if y greater than, else means if y greater than x, if y greater than z, print y. If z greater than y, that means if y greater than x and z greater than y, z is the greatest. So this is a program. So let us go and try to execute this. 6, 9, 2. 9 is the greatest. Let us change the program a little bit. Okay, so this is number, so you have to put an str, or you can also put a backstreak. Put a backstreak. Both will work the same to actually Identify the compiler it as a not a number but a string. Okay, there is some problem with the backstreet. We will discuss that later. So now I just convert it to str. Number is 9. That is number is 7. So this is an example of if and else condition, okay, or a nested if. So this is a if statement, this is a nested if statement, and this is an else and nested if and else inside that. Second one is using elif. Okay, elif actually means else if. Okay, so else if is actually defined as elif. So here I've written a small program which will take input and check for if m, then the sex is male, and if the sex is female, else invalid sex mentioned. Okay, let us do it. Okay, m male, f female, with some other word, a invalid sex mentioned. There is another program on else if and elif, that is calculating a tax program. Okay, so here we are taking an input, the salary. Okay, and we are checking if x is less than 1 lakh, tax is 0. If x is less than 3 lakh, tax is 10%, 0.10. If x salary less than equal to 5 lakhs, then 20%, less than equal to 7 lakhs, then 25%. Above 7 lakhs, it is 30%. Okay, now let's run the program. Let us give 9 lakhs, 2,70,000, that is 30%. 4 lakhs, that is 80,000, that is how much? That is 20%. And 2 lakhs, 10%. And suppose say 20,000, 0. Okay, so this is how the decision making happens, and this is a very simple one. And if you need more complex one, just comment me and you can ask. You can come up with questions with decision making if you are facing problem with some if-else statement. Okay, so how to build up and structure the if-else statement, then please write to me. I'll respond to you as quick as possible. So if you like this video, please press the like button, please share my video. Thank you very much. So in next tutorial I will come up with the iteration and loop and the type of loops that works in Python. Thank you very much.